A little bit on our overall ETA. So hopefully we'll be a couple miles outside of town as darkness falls. Because yeah guys, on a Saturday night, you know, typically most folks go out, you know, teenagers, college kids, even fully, you know, full grown-ups. Miles, guys. I like to see myself in the shadow of the sun. Hour and 16 miles left. .528. This road may flood, it said. Okay, so 15 miles, guys, and we got 20% battery life. Yeah, maybe we'll do low power mode. What do you guys think if we do low power mode. Yeah, let's just make this hill. Because it's pretty much a straight shot, but so yes, until the street ends, and then it's going to take us to the right, and then it's going to take us to the left, and that road will just go straight, and we're going to have to turn off of this onto something called Pine Bluff, where there's a big lake, and then a left on East End Road, which is Route 47, and that will take us into town on Division Street, and right next to the culvert. There it is. But yeah, we're on low power mode, so yeah, hopefully this 20% will last us for a while still. And then yeah, we just follow this road until it ends. Then we make a right on Pine Bluff, on this like by this church, and on the left there's going to be some kind of like a big lake. Oh yeah, let's do a quick battery check. Yeah, 9% left, guys, so we're gonna hasta la ciao ciao here from this small village, and it says there West Branch Farm. So from the West Branch Farm, hasta la ciao ciao, bye for now, over and out.